This is beautiful.
Today starts a 5-day adventure. Renting a bike. But a real one this time. For the next 5 days I'm gonna do what's called the Mae Hong Son Loop. That's a more than 1,000-kilometer loop that starts in Chiang Mai, goes all the way to the northwest of Thailand and ends in Chiang Mai again. I'm gonna do it in 5 days, and every day I'm gonna drive between 300 to 700 kilometers. My biggest concern doing this was, of course, my safety. That's why I spent most of yesterday while walking around dealing with administrations, picking up the right bike, making sure that I have insurances, that the people who need to know I'm doing this know that I'm doing this. And that's why yesterday's episode was slightly more modest and laid back. Okay, here it goes. My first stop, a place called Chiang Dao. So after an hour and a half drive, I arrived to the what seems to be village or town of Chiang Dao. The reason why I came here is 5 kilometers north out of the city, and I'm gonna go there next. I just stopped here because I saw this beautiful thing, and I think there's gonna be a nice view from there, so I'm gonna check that out. This looks a little bit like a church. Look at the paintings. Not here to intrude. I've gone into their territory. Okay, I'm leaving. Savaditon ciao. No, I don't speak. No. Speak little. Shodin Hat. People here are so nice in this country. Ciao. I'm not seeing any beautiful views as I thought, but it's just so amazing to see the simplicity and the way people live in this place with bamboos around them. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I'm leaving. Just let me finish filming this. Just this, okay? I'll film this and I'm going. They don't like me here. I'm gonna head to the place because of which I came here. If I don't see anything else if I don't see anything else interesting on the way. Okay. Okay, let's begin. There's supposed to be a certain shrine or a temple inside this cave complex here. Already it looks beautiful. This is our light?
Yeah, here water.
Water?
Water side.
Really?
Water this side gone.
Wow. So there are bats inside the cave and you eat them and it's like chicken?
The bat so good and chicken.
So bat is better than chicken?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ugh.
See you outside 3 days, huh?
Bet? Wow. Aroy. Wow. This is a tiny hole.
That's Malay.
Ooh, no. Dead?
That's a Malay.
No. No, 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 no. Lotus flower upside down. Yes. So this is here 1,000 years. Wow. 1,000. One bone that I have to pick with Thai attractions is that the guides don't speak English very well and there is no English information anywhere. It was very interesting walking around the cave and seeing all the views and the shrines and everything, but I didn't really get much information. I'm feeling like I'm living this uneducated, which is a shame. But nonetheless, it was a beautiful place and a beautiful cave, and as long as people are smiling, then I'm happy. Which one do you like? Eating some lunch. Heading to the next destination, a city called Pai. That's a 3-hour ride away from here. Waterfall here? I saw this on the way and I thought, why just not see what it's about? This is beautiful. Check out this cozy reading corner and check out the view. So I think this is a fitting setting to end this episode. Off camera I'm gonna explore the city a bit more and I'll come back with my impressions probably tomorrow. So, see you then.